hope everyone's enjoying their Wednesday evening. I am down here in the workshop and I figured I would do a little update video for you since it's been a little while since I've posted my last. So I have an upcoming craft fair on July 9th. So I've been kind of in gear mode to prep my inventory for that. So I've been working on some glue ups for coasters that I need to cut. I have some cutting boards that need to be cut, and I'm also working on some bookshelves to sell there. Along with all the river tables that I've been currently working on, I'm gonna also bring those.
Thanks so much for watching, and please stay tuned for the next few videos that come out this week. Take care.